Oh, isn't this beautiful? On the way to the backyard. Crunch, crunch, crunch. To the backyard to clean off the bird feeders. It's very, very sticky. Quite beautiful. Mother Nature can be quite the artist sometimes. Look, she's made a little snowman on the top of the bird feeder pole. And there's our tree full of nice sticky snow. Our cedars. Then I'm going to take my broom and shove off that snow. Yuck. Greenhouse is covered. Wreath ribbon is kind of droopy this morning. And Mr. Melon Man has his hat. Sorry. Get him all cleaned off. There we go. Ooh, he looks cold. A little bit of a snotty nose this morning. Okay. Everybody's cleaned off, topped up. Oh dear. I guess I better clean off the top of the greenhouse. But everybody's got their feed for the day. I've cleared off a little spot for the little fellas. Time for me to go in and have a cup of chai. Get warmed up. My hands are frozen. See you later.